Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my brand new kitchen. Today I want to try my hand at installing the Cardo Freecom 4. I decided to go with Cardo instead of SENA after doing a lot of comparison shopping and determining my needs as a motorcyclist and the fact that I kind of rarely ride with a lot of people at once, and at most I'll probably be riding with one or two other people who I'd even want to link up Bluetooth communicators with, and most of the time I'd just be using it for motovlogging and navigation. So I went with the Freecom 4. It's only slightly cheaper than some of the other options. If you truly want to just do it solo style, they do have, I want to say, the Freecom 1. Just the standard Freecom or Freecom 1 seems to be for people who are just using the Bluetooth capability and syncing up with their phone, maybe making phone calls, listening to music while they ride, so they don't really need to link up with others through Bluetooth or through the mesh communication, which Cardo apparently helped pioneer. I'm going to install it on my trusty dusty Bell Qualifier, as this is my motovlogging helmet. I still have the same removable mount, but I'm gonna go ahead and do something semi-permanent, I think, and put the Freecom 4 on this. And if this takes too long, I'll come back to it. But for now, this is the first time I've opened it, so we'll be able to see everything in real time, and hopefully you'll be able to see everything well enough. So it's got some nice boxes. Oh. All right, so the Cardo itself is this pretty small unit. It's got this wheel for adjusting the volume, which is very easy when you can't see what you're doing. And then it has just a few simple 3-button layout. One distinct thing about the Cardo versus SENA's as well is that the Cardo is actually officially like water and dust proof. And the SENA's are water resistant, but they're not officially waterproof. So I believe that if there is water damage on your SENA, it's not under warranty. So if any water damage happens to a Cardo and it's still within like its lifespan, I believe you can get a replacement. But hopefully that doesn't happen because it's waterproof. So we got some stickers and the pocket guide in a couple different languages. Safety, compliance, warranty, installation guide. So here's the pocket guide for how to use it, which I think I will delve into a bit later. But the installation guide is going to be my guy right now. So we've gotten down to the bottom of the box, and now there's all the hardware and stuff. Everything is packed inside of here. All right, so let's get into this box. Looks like we have our Velcro. The speakers are JBL. I've used JBL for their boom boxes and Bluetooth speakers and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool that these are going to be the ones inside the helmet. Alcohol prep pad, the external mount, some more Velcro. This is the speakers Velcro. Ooh, I should have done this ASMR style. Let me know how that was for you. All right, here is our mic. Ooh, that's nice. And this is the part that sticks to the helmet. Sounds permanent. Oh, yeah, don't break that already. Okay, installation guide. So it looks like there are two options for installation, option A and option B. So you can use either the pre-installed cradle clamp or the cradle adhesive plate. I think I'm going to use the clamp because that's somewhat less permanent, and to be able to move this to a different helmet when I am maybe not motovlogging, which happens a lot. I'm often not motovlogging. This is the removable clamp. But if you want a more permanent and maybe slimmed down version, or this clamp isn't compatible with your helmet, you'll be using this 3M adhesive one. So I'm gonna use the clamp because I love a good non-permanent solution. I know this guy slides right in there. There's a little lever here. I mean, I suppose I should read the directions, but like, who reads directions? Got it. All right, so I put it in the clamp. That's probably not the order they tell you to do it in. Let's see. Position the cradle. Oh, I should have done this before putting. I'll take this out real quick, so now we'll see how easy it is to release it. It's got a little button here. Oh, that was easy. Okay. I'm going to position the cradle on the left side of the helmet. Insert the cradle clamp between the helmet shell and padding. So I'm gonna take out this under thing for now. And then it's gonna be between this rubbery bit and the padding of the helmet. So let's see how easy that is. It's a good spot. Ooh. Oh, I think I'm trying to, so there's, you know, there's the rubber bit, there's this, and then there's this, the cheek padding. And I think they mean between, like the cheek pad. Yeah, they mean a broader. I was trying to cram it like, I don't think that's the move. So I'm doing some shimmying. To be honest, the diagram is vague, but it probably has to be because it depends on the helmet. I just popped the cheek padding. I'm doing this too close to where the padding, I mean, maybe it is supposed to go in through there. We're troubleshooting in real time. Oh, okay, got it. Don't mind me. All right, that's much easier. So it really is supposed to be between this piece of padding and the rubber stopper. Aren't you guys glad that I'm just so brutally honest with these things? I think I do want to slide it a little bit more this way, but it doesn't really matter too much. And then it gets nice and flush on the bottom there. That looks like pretty good placement to me. I've got it somewhat far back, but the placement of the Cardo itself doesn't really matter. Okay, so we got that part on and it's pushed all the way in. So now installing the microphone is the thing that I'm like, how do I do that? So I'm gonna take out all the padding. Just gonna put it back here. Honestly, you probably need to clean the padding anyways. The cheeks are out and my helmet's got little areas for Bluetooth speakers. So and even a lot of the retro-inspired helmets, like the Bell Bullet, has space for speakers as well. Oh, now I'm realizing it doesn't really matter if this can come on and off because the speakers are going to be a pretty permanent installation, so it will. All right, we're also going to take off the chin curtain because we're placing the microphone in front. This I want to do properly because this is how I'm going to be motovlogging. I suppose I'll take off the mount as well so it's not in the way, and we'll see if my whole setup is compatible. Forgot I was making a video for a second. All right, so we've just got our insides. Oh, I'll start with the speakers. Clean the speaker locations with the alcohol pad. If the speaker recesses are deep, attach both Velcro speaker booster pads to the helmet. I'm going to clean it with the prep pad and put in Velcro pieces inside there. So I suppose you could move it to a different helmet if you just, oh my God, this is the tiniest little thing ever. I suppose you could move it to a different helmet if you just had more Velcro bits. That sounds like an option. Or I bet they just sell little replacement parts, or if you just ask them for an extra one, they might send it. Yeah, it says if the recesses are deep. I don't know if this qualifies as deep recesses. I think we might just be able to put the headphones in there. Yeah, they don't seem crazy deep. So I don't know if we'll need the bonus Velcro piece. Oh, I think these are just the speaker booster pads. So I think this is what we want, and this is what will be our standard. So, don't know if you can see this. All right. So we have the pieces of Velcro in there for our speakers. And then on the same side as the cradle, attach the speaker with the shorter wire. So that's this guy. And we're putting the short one on the same side. So now I've got the speakers in the wells. Without the boosters, I don't think I need them. Route the wires towards the cradle and connect to the cradle speaker connector. Oh, I see. So these guys just get plugged right into there. That was easy. Now the microphone. This is exciting. Oh, I gotta take off my duct tape. Same side as the cradle, remove any pads. Already did that. Clean the location with an alcohol pad. Position the microphone so that the microphone itself is opposite your mouth and note the position. It won't be a flush connection. Some of the details inside the helmet. Man, unless this is supposed to be behind where the cheek padding is. I suppose maybe it is, but I don't think I can fit it back there and get the cheek padding on top of it. Where are my little Velcros? Are these them? No. Are they? Maybe. I don't really know what this is. Oh, I see. This is for open face and modular helmets, and this is for the corded helmet, or the full face helmets. That makes things easier. God, you should just read the directions. So this guy is gonna be our microphone for the full face helmet, which we are working with, and it'll be very easy to find somewhere to put this. Attach the rectangular Velcro pad near the helmet rim, opposite your mouth. Attach the microphone to the Velcro pad. We're gonna just drop this little pad over in the front area. Easy peasy. And it looks like it should be horizontal. So we are just dropping this right there. I think this will make my life a lot easier. This was a pricey investment considering my other solution was virtually free. This will be a welcome upgrade. Okay, so that was simple. And now this mic just gets plugged into here. So it's cool, they include 2 different mic options. So I bet even if you just wanted to use this one just for motovlogging, this seems like this would be a great backup mic to drop into there. And if you had a removable mount like I use, and then you wouldn't be able to use the speakers unless you move them, but this seems great that they give you 2 mic options. All right, so that guy's plugged in there. Our speakers are plugged in, and I'd say we're installed. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck in all of our cords. Maybe I'll tidy that all up off camera, but we've got it all in, and then you just drop this guy on, and all these wired connections will link up with the Cardo. And it's great because, you know, you can really easily take it off your helmet. I don't know, kind of make it not seem so stealable, because sometimes you don't want to carry your helmet around with you, so you can always take this off while you're out and about. Okay, now it's on. All right, awesome. So I think I still have to maybe charge this guy up, but that is the installation. You got all your wires here until you put your padding back in. So I will come back and show you what it all looks like tidied up, and we'll go have some fun motovlogging experiences with my new speaker setup. I'm excited because I had done that video about my audio, really inexpensive audio setup for motovlogging, and then I decided to go and change it just to try some other things out because I saw people getting other brands of Bluetooth speakers and noise canceling headphones. So I tried them and they didn't work as well as just your regular kind of low fidelity or budget headphone microphone setup. A lot of the noise canceling ones garbled the voice because they're trying to filter out the bike noise and all the ambience. So it was great to use just standard headphones that didn't have any built-in noise cancellation. And if you did want to reduce the noise, you can do that after the fact in post-production while you're working with Adobe Premiere or Audacity or any other kind of audio editing software. And I still like recording to a separate audio device so I can mix in both the GoPro audio and the audio from my microphone. So if there's a sound that happens outside the helmet or if I'm talking to somebody, I can switch to that microphone on the GoPro so that things can be heard better. So it's good to have that flexibility. If you want a little bit more of the atmosphere bike sound, you can boost that and just have 2 tracks of audio. And if you want to have just really clear audio inside of the mic, you can just not use the GoPro audio at all. So I still recommend that, but we are going to test this guy out. We're gonna finish wrapping everything and then get on the road. If I forget to do this after I'm done tidying everything up, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of the support and all of the patience. If you liked this video, found it helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in purchasing a Cardo or any of the other GoPro motovlogging / Bluetooth technology stuff that I recommend for using with the helmet, you can check the description for any links down there. And stay tuned for my further reviews of the Cardo and how I feel down the line and how I test it out, linking up with other riders, because you are not wed to just other people using the Cardo. You can link up with other people who use SENA and other communicators, and then you can make phone calls and you can tell your phone like, okay, Google, do this. It'd be very great to test that out. So thank you so much for watching the installation video, and I hope you enjoy the final results. And go ahead and subscribe to me if you like the Go Naked shirt that I'm wearing. It's one of my own designs. You can find that at greatlakesupplyco.com. I think that's everything. Till next time, ride safe, and I will see you out there. All right, here's the final result. So we've got the Cardo over here. I have tucked all the wiring in and put the cheek padding back in. I couldn't quite get everything in and then wedge the comfort liner over top of it. So I'm gonna work with that a little bit and see if I can get the cords to guide through this little area. But I think because the liner needs that area to bend around, I might just not be able to do that. So I might end up securing this with a little bit of tape just to make sure that it doesn't unravel while I'm riding and kind of be flying around back there. But otherwise, everything, all the cording is pretty tidy and discreet down there. So I really like the results of that. As I said before, thanks for watching. I will be giving you a little bit of test footage with this, and hopefully this will stay consistent as my new motovlogging setup.